and welcome back to my channel. And right now we are at Sukhavana, which is an ashram. There is a museum here and there's a temple and whatnot. So we are here just to chill out. Today is a Sunday and 3:30 to 5:30 is the time, but we are here at 4:30. So we've got 1 hour's time to explore. So I just will take you guys along and show you what it is and what is not. In case you didn't see and understand, we are here at Sachidananda Ashrama. It is on the outskirts of Mysore. Basically, he has a temple over here and Sukhavana and bonsai garden. There is a museum. There's a lot of things over here, but we specifically came in for Sukhavana and the bonsai garden. But we were a tad bit late as usual. What is new? So we did see that there are some bonsai for sale. However, the cost of bonsai is pretty expensive, 2500. I think it starts from 1300, goes up to I think 5000 rupees. So the one that you see in the center is 5000 rupees. So in case you want to buy it, of course you can, but I would suggest that it's that bit expensive. So basically Sukhavana is where they have rehabilitated all of these exotic birds and other birds as well. So the thing with this is that we couldn't take our cameras inside because of the radiation apparently, but this is the outskirts of it and these are all the photo of the birds that are there. And he's the owner of Sachidananda Ashrama. He's the priest over here, or you can say the owner of this place, and he runs this place. So yes, I am going inside. So this place that we can film, the part where the birds are, that we cannot film, so you would hear the bird sounds in the next clips. The place is very beautifully maintained, although but it's not as maintained as it was pre-covid when we had visited. So yeah, I just want you guys to see, enjoy, and whatever clips I've taken, do enjoy it. Alright, so here we were allowed to take photos and videos. These were parakeets, and I didn't understand the concept, of radiation. Why was it not implied to them? But then I also felt it was maybe a back step because most of them inside Sukhavana were exotic birds to say the least, and maybe it's a little bit, they are reserved as to they might come under law, whatever. I don't know what was the situation. I don't want to make judgmental comments on it, so I will leave it at that. A glimpse inside Sukhavana, I could capture one, two, three things. That's it. And this was outside Sukhavana where they had a horse farm kind of a situation. And this is the entrance to the bonsai garden. But by the time we were here, it was closed. So unfortunately, we couldn't go. But maybe next time. So you can see such big bonsais over here. Then we headed to Good Vibes restaurant because mom was really hungry and so was I. It is a cafe made inside the home. The food was pretty good. I wouldn't say awesome, but it was decent. It was worth visiting again. And the places be very beautifully made. I'll give them that. I really enjoyed the vibe here, and most importantly, the company, which was my parents. And we don't often realize that as we are growing, they are growing too, and we tend to forget that we need to spend as much as time with them, and they do love that. So I love to spend time with my parents. I make sure I go every month to Mysore just to spend time with them. It makes me happy. That's my happiness. प्राइस थोड़ा पॉइंट आए थे, फिर हमने फिर से मंगवाया एंड अभी ठीक है. एंड दिस इज द पिज्जा. दैट्स वन कैपुचिनो. We've got Kashmiri chicken. आधा तो ख़त्म हो गया, ये बचा है मेरा और मम्मी का भी. एंड ये चिकन पराठा है एंड भाई कुछ और मटन चॉप्स वगैरह लाया था, दावत चल रही है। एंड इसमें है क्वेल तीतर जो ये मम्मी का है।